Hey guys, this is Isaac from Krietz Customs, and we're checking out this 2019 Jeep Wrangler JL that Krietz Customs just got done building. If you guys want to check out more vehicles like this one, you can check that out on our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com. So first we're going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 2.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which actually lifts up the Jeep just enough to fit these 35-inch tires, so we don't have to do a 3.5 like the JKs were. So this tire is actually going to be a 35-1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler, which is a great hybrid tire that's great on-road and off-road. It's going to give you a nice aggressive look, but also going to wear very nicely with a long wear life. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel Contra, which is the D615. It's the gloss black and milled finish. It's going to be the gloss black finish all over the wheel, except for on the millings, which is going to be on the in between the spokes and on the rivets, as well as fuel, which is etched in on the side right there. It's going to have a -44 offset, which is going to give it a nice deep dish, and having the spokes come all the way from the inside of the wheel all the way to the outside, and we call that a concave design. So that pretty much wraps up the wheel and tire package and the lift that we added to this vehicle. So if you guys want to check out more vehicles like this, you can go to our gallery at KrietzCustoms.com, if you want to get your truck lifted, go ahead and message us on Facebook or give us a call at 301-694-4642.